In this video, I will show you how to do split screen on Mac OS. So I will show you how you can do this right here. So first of all, all you need to do is open your apps you want to do this split screen. So I'm using right now Brave browser and Safari on two different browsers. You can also select any other type of app you want. So first, what you need to do is select the top of your window and hit the option button, and you will see these guides. You can put it where you want. So I want on the left side, and this other one you can do the same thing too. You can also select this bottom part right here, and you can drag and drop, and it will align the way you let it. So that's it. That's how you can do a split screen on macOS. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tips like this.